Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable wake timers on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, and which is basically a time event that initiates your computer to wake up from sleep mode. And without further ado, and let's go ahead, so all you have to do is to open up on search menu. And then dito, kailangan mo lang i-type yung edit power plan. And then click mo lang itong open. So dito sa edit power plan settings, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select to change advanced power settings. And then pop up itong kanyang power actions advanced settings. So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung sleep. And then click mo lang itong plus sign. And then next step ay select mo lang dito yung allow wake timers. And i-click mo lang ulit itong plus signs. And then dito makikita mo itong on battery or plug-in. Okay, so select ka lang dito sa dalawa. And then para ma-edit natin ito, i-click mo lang itong disabled. And so ang next step, i-click mo lang itong arrow na to. And then dito ay may tatlong options na pwede natin gawin. So mayroon ditong disabled or enable important wake timer. So select ka lang dito. And then click mo lang itong okay. Alright, so in another method para ma-enable or disable natin ang wake timers. So dito lang sa start menu, so right click ko lang. And then select mo lang dito yung device manager. So dito sa device manager ay select mo lang dito yung human interface device. So click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then next, dito lang sa kanyang drivers ay select ka lang dito. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung properties. So dito sa kanyang device properties ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung power management. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-uncheck ito. Okay, so uncheck, allow the computer. And then next ay click mo lang itong okay. Alright, so ang last method na pwede natin gawin, dito lang sa search menu. And then type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. So dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-type yung command keyword na power cfg space dash wake timers. Ayan, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na power cfg space dash wake timers and then press mo lang enter. Ayan, so makikita mo dito na there are no active wake timers in the system. So ang ibig sabihin nito, this command will show the upcoming wake timer or time event that will wake your computer. You will also be able to see the date and time when the event will trigger, and you will also see the reason why Windows will execute that schedule task. Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-enable or disable ng wake timers in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.